Many photographers use their camera bag extensively throughout the day. They change lenses, grab extra equipment and are always digging inside of it. For these travel photographers, a portable bag is a necessity. We love a bag that is easy to carry or move around. In this video we will be looking into the best travel camera bag that can be found out there. To see the price and find out more information on this camera bags, check the link in the description below. Also make sure you subscribe for more of our latest reviews. Let's get started. At number 5 is Lowepro Flip Side Trek BP 450 AW XL. What I love about this bag is the patented flip side technology. This camera travel bag connects around the waist and sits in front of you. You have access to your gear when you need it. It's also secure since your gear is hidden when the bag is worn. Lots of space makes this camera bag a perfect companion for all types, whether hiking or traipsing around a city. You can't go wrong with this all-terrain bag, so add it to your collection. At number 4 is PackSafe VentureSafe. PackSafe want to ensure the security of your camera equipment through their bags. It isn't a dedicated camera bag, so you'll need to purchase separate camera inserts to store your gear. The comfort you'll get with this bag makes it great for long trips or even hiking. The lockable zippers and steel cable makes the bag a perfect secure option, not to mention its slash-resistant material. The padded laptop area is a great idea too. At number is 3. Neewer 2-in-1 Rolling Camera Backpack. The Neewer rolling camera bag is a beast. The depth allows you to store your equipment vertically, letting you take everything with you. This bag is not for the hiker, but perfect for those shooting high-end lifestyle photography abroad. On top of a DSLR with telephoto lens, it fits another camera body with up to 9 other spaces for lenses and devices. At number 2 we have Vanguard ALTA FLY 55T. Carry on. If the above model feels a little stiff and businesslike, go for the Vanguard model. It also features a 4-wheel trolley or backpack straps, without compromising comfort. It holds a ton of gear, such as 3 DSLRs, one with a telephoto lens. Extra space for 4 to 5 lenses or devices, making it the perfect drone photography bag. Perhaps a little too big for the avid street photographer, but great for portrait shooters or headshot hunters. At number 1 is Manfrotto Pro Light Reloader. This is the perfect portable camera bag. It can be wheeled through airports and slung over your back for ease of use. It will carry a ton of gear, not only a DSLR with a telephoto lens but a second body with spaces for 3 to 4 lenses or flashes too. As a camera travel bag, it's easy to move with it, offering protection when you need it, and portability when on the move.